The star of the show, right? Jay, right? You like it up there? Let me back through it. Trying to see. Okay. Bring this chair in a little bit more. Ooh, nice thing. A lot of work. Right. Let me see if I can fit a chair in there. Maybe a small chair, or you just sit right here. But then I need something a little bit more. So that way. What do I have? It's comfortable and it's lower. But this will work. Maybe we can get a little closer. Ah, it's calling my back. Let's put this camera back over here. Okay, we see my water bottle fit. Okay. That's also because we see my cards, my big cards that I bought. My big cards. Those big cards. Oh, three of. I think that's a pain card. Three of spades. Eight of cups. Eight of hearts. Eight of hearts. Oh yeah, I bought these at the Wrecking Room. Wrecking Room. I was trying to make this thing. I bought this a while back. Now I just need to make a stand for it or something so I can just stand it up. There we go. And I'm going to add more stuff to it. What I was thinking is I was putting the queens. I was going to put the queens, 2 queens here, 2 queens on this side. This is the box that they came in. Let's see if I can do a reading here. Let's see. Let's just. I want to do. I don't want to do a reading. I'm in a mood of fixing things up. Just it. Here, but that light has to change. Lower that light. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go now. You guys can't see the chakra. I'm sitting in front of it. I want it to have it up a little bit higher. Oh, I could try it. I could tie it to the chairs. Chairs. It'd be nice to have some creative help, you know. Someone to do things like this with me. My little cubicle. I can take this anywhere though. Sit on the grass. Sit. Like this girl has, since she got sick, she has become so freaking needy. Needy. Oh my gosh. No, I don't even know how much. Oh, crap. I gotta look closer. You've been so needy, Shelby, okay? Very needy. You still can't see my background really well. I was thinking of when I just want to sit here and read a book or tell the story. Learning to do this with this in the background, so then I feel like the sound, I don't know. I don't even know, my mic's way over there. Can you stop? She's literally um, putting her face on my hands like she wants me to get her food. Like every time she bugs me, that's what she wants, is she wants food. And it's not time for food yet. Not time for food. But I want to put some, I did give her a bath today. Right, Mama gave you a bath today. And so we're going to put some of that cream on you. Yes, we are. We're going to put some of that cream on you. Yes, we are. You always want Mama to bug you? Hmm? You want to bug Mama all the time? You want to be bugged to Mama all the time? Hmm? You silly girl. That is... You know, she used to wear a muzzle when she go pee and stuff, go for a walk. She has a mark now from it. She don't use muzzle no more. No more muzzle. Now it's a body harness. Here it comes. Here it comes. Look at the camera there. Look at the camera. Yep. See right there. It's a line. There's a line. Right there. It's from her muzzle. She hasn't worn her muzzle like over a year. Almost a year. She's got a lot of dandruff though. I don't know how to get rid of it. When you put some kind of moisturizer on your skin. I did give her a salt bath today with a little bit of still vinegar. Yeah. Okay, what are you doing? You climb. You can't. You're not a pup. You're not a baby puppy. You can't climb. You can't climb on me, on my lap. Your breath smells too. Did you fart? Did you fart? Or is it your breath? Your breath stink. And then there's Bailey over there. I love you. Woof woof. And this will be the time that you bark and say, I love you too. Not when you hear things. When you hear Mommy say, I love you, you say, woof woof, Mama. Okay, back up. Okay. Okay, we're done. We're done. Go lay down, okay? Please, go lay down. Jeez. Like, if she's not on my lap, she ain't happy. You're too big. You need to get your nails cut. We gotta get you to... So yeah, what if I go to the grass? What if I go? What do I have to bring with me to do this? Let's see how far we can bring it up. Oh, he's panting down right now. Let's point it up. Oh, what are we doing? Pushing buttons. This stand will stay up. Yeah, I have to find something at least. At least this high.
I'm just messing around. One day I'll get it perfect. Have people stop copying me. I could also do, oh, that's another idea I got now. Okay, let me show you. All right. Show you. No, you stay over there. So I do this. Put a table right here. Oh, let's see if that table will fit. I made a big mess. Big mess. Shabby don't like it when I'm working all the time, do you? You know what? We have to. Look at that. Uh-oh. We knocked the camera off. Or did we? Okay, we did it. Okay. You're gonna do a reading on there like that. I'm in your reading spot. Oh gosh, yes, I see. Okay, there we go. Perfect! Perfect! Okay, so that's kind of a. So what I can do is we can put 8 of diamonds and 8 of diamonds and 8 of hearts. And we can put them right there as backdrop. How's that look? Okay. Okay. So, do we fit another card? Do we fit one more? We'll put the clubs. 8 of clubs, we'll put it in the middle. That's perfect for a rating setup. But now, where am I going to sit? Right? That may not work. Okay, if I